Are you there, my enterprising affiliate marketers? Today is the grand finale of the series on step-by-step guide to brainstorming affiliate marketing ideas in 2024. If you have been following me all along, then you are well positioned to test out your ideas and see how they will perform in real life. But if you have just joined us, well, you can still catch up provided you go back and watch the previous 4 videos. The best you can do for me is to hit that subscribe button below. Like and share this video with your friends who may benefit from this video. I remain your host, Sam Chidebere. Testing and optimization are the secret sauce that can take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. But don't worry. I am here to guide you on using data-driven insights to fine-tune your strategy and skyrocket your conversion rates. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define key metrics. Identify the key performance indicators, KPIs, that matter most to your affiliate marketing goals. Common KPIs include click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated. Step 2. Implement A and B testing. A and B testing involves comparing 2 versions of a web page, email, or ad to see which performs better. Test different elements like headlines, images, call to action buttons, and even product offers. Step 3. Track conversions. Use tracking tools like Google Analytics or Affiliate Network reporting to monitor conversions. Understand where your conversions are coming from, which sources are most effective, and which products or services perform best. Step 4. Analyze user behavior. Dive deep into user behavior on your website or landing pages. Analyze heat maps, click patterns, and user journey data to identify areas for improvement. Step 5. Identify drop-off points. Pay close attention to drop-off points in your sales funnel. Where are users abandoning the process? Address these pain points to improve conversion rates. Step 6. Multivariate testing. For more complex optimization, consider multivariate testing. This involves testing multiple variations of different elements simultaneously to find the winning combination. Step 7. Mobile optimization. With the increasing use of mobile devices, ensure your affiliate marketing assets are optimized for mobile users. Mobile-friendly websites and responsive designs are essential. Step 8. Landing page optimization. Optimize your landing pages for specific affiliate offers. Ensure the content is relevant, load times are fast, and the call to action is compelling. Step 9. Data analysis tools. Leverage data analysis tools and platforms to gather insights. Tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, or Crazy Egg can provide invaluable data. Step 10. Continuous improvement. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process. Continuously test, analyze, and refine your affiliate marketing strategies based on the data you collect. Step 11. Scaling successful strategies. Once you identify strategies that work, scale them up. Invest more resources and budget into what's driving results. By following these steps, you will be well equipped to use data-driven insights to test and optimize affiliate marketing strategies. This will help you fine-tune your campaigns, improve conversion rates, and get closer to achieving your mission of converting your audience into buyers. Happy optimizing. Scaling and diversifying. As you grow, it's crucial to scale your campaigns and consider diversifying into related niches. As you already know, my mission is to help you maximize your income potential while minimizing risks. Conclusion. Well, here we finally draw the curtains, Smart Affiliates. My step-by-step guide tailored for my rising affiliate marketers. Remember, it's all about staying informed, getting creative, and optimizing like a pro. Start brainstorming today, and you might just uncover the next big affiliate marketing opportunity. If you found this video helpful on your affiliate marketing journey, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my tips. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I am here to support you. Thanks for being part of my Smart Affiliates community. Stay tuned for more exciting content designed to help you convert your audience into buyers. Until next time, happy brainstorming and happy affiliating. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also press the bell icon for notification for future great videos. Thank you.